Why are there not more people talking about the power of forgiveness? Jesus told a story that shows just how powerful it is. One day, a young man asked his father for his share of the inheritance. The father agreed, and the boy left home. At first, life was a party. Fancy clothes, wild nights, everything he desired, but soon the money ran out. And so did his friends. A famine struck, and he found himself feeding pigs, wishing for their scraps. That's when he remembered his father. Even my father's servants have food to spare, he thought, so he decided to go back and ask to be a servant. As he neared home, his heart pounded, but his father saw him from a distance and ran to him, hugging him, kissing him, and calling out, "Bring a robe, a ring, and sandals. Let's celebrate. My son was lost and now he's found." Remember, no matter how far we run, God is always waiting with love, ready to welcome us back, always.